It is, very inspiring to see that, how a group of young people on their own, without, when I was talking yesterday with Sachin, I was discussing what is your NGO doing, how do you get finances, why don't you go for ATG? And he told me, madam, we want to do on our own, we don't want to, get donations from others. No, very rarely you find such kind of committed people who really want to make difference out of their own finances. So, in my, biodata, I think somebody missed about the complete background of what I have been and what my experience is. So let me tell you, I belong to 92 batch of Indian Revenue Service, and I have worked all across the country, starting from Delhi, Jalandhar, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Vijayawada, and all across the country. And being a central service officer, I also had an opportunity to work in various state governments. I had a privilege to work with the government of Andhra Pradesh for 3 years, and I was secretary, youth welfare and youth advancement. That was, one tenure which was very fulfilling for me. And I, normally people don't want to work in such kind of departments, the bureaucrats. But I chose that department because I felt with the energy of youth I can make a lot of difference, and I can, really relate with the, how our youth are not provided enough opportunities to harness their energies and full potential. So I was instrumental in bringing the youth policy of Andhra Pradesh. I had very, vast exposure with the youth of Andhra Pradesh, and I was motivating them for, creating this difference in our society. And I also, had one opportunity where, people used to come to me, madam, please sponsor my, trip to Mount Everest, and I will get, sifash from higher authorities, कि इसको दे दो, इसको दे दो, इसको दे दो. Then I said, मैं ऐसे किसी को नहीं दूंगी. It is available for everybody who comes there on merit. So I initiated a policy where, I policy for sending an expedition to Mount Everest. We picked up people, from villages and cities. We trained them for 6 months, and they successfully summited Mount Everest. So I led 2 such expeditions. Then there were expeditions to Kilimanjaro. And today's youth are so much interested in adventures, sports. So I had a lot of policies for youth where they can fulfill that interest of adventure. And I also had opportunity to, really work for youth contributing to their society. And one area which I had done was, imparting them with the training of first aid and disaster management. So I will suggest Mishan also that you can take up that initiative, because if we have this knowledge of first aid and disaster management, जब डिजास्टर होता है तब सरकार हमारे पास नहीं होती, हमारे लोग हमारे पास होते हैं. और अगर हमें थोड़ी सी भी नॉलेज है तो हम किसी की जान बचा सकते हैं फर्स्ट एड से. डिजास्टर में हम अपने आप को जो है वेल प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, इम्पैक्ट को मिटिगेट कर सकते हैं. सो मैंने 60,000 यूथ को ट्रेन किया है आंध्र प्रदेश में, एंड इट इज़ अ रिकॉर्ड. एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएटेड दैट. I am not being in charge of disaster management department, but I am doing this work because एक छोटे से 3-5 दिन के कोर्स से लोगों को इतना मोटिवेट किया कि मेरे पास 60-year-old भी आते थे, 75-year-old भी आते थे. Although it was meant for youth, 18 to 35. I used to get kids from 10 year child, मैडम हमें भी करवा दो, हमें भी करवा दो. तो हमने गाँव में जाके किया है. सो मेरा कनेक्ट जो है यूथ से बहुत है. और जितने भी आपके इनिशिएटिव यहाँ पर हैं, लेट मी टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, आई एम नॉट फेकिंग. आई एम ऑल्सो ऑल फॉर प्लास्टिक फ्री वर्ल्ड. आई एम ऑल्सो टुवर्ड्स काइंडनेस टू एनिमल and helping our underprivileged students. I donate whatever little amount I do in charities. whether it is feeding people or it is, sponsoring education for somebody through various other NGOs. And it is really nice that, हम लोग मिलके, सब मिलके अपने पैशन और डेडिकेशन को एक दिशा देते हुए हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो माय मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज दैट यूथ जो यहाँ है और जो सुन रहा है कि वी नीड योर एनर्जी, वी नीड योर क्रिएटिविटी एंड पैशन, एंड टुगेदर वी कैन मेक लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. एंड big dream, be focused, be committed, and if you are really committed towards what you really want to achieve, तो कोई कहते हैं ना कायनात भी तुम्हें हर उसमें मदद करेगी कि उसको अचीव करने के लिए. So wishing you all the best and good luck. जय हिंद.